Current Affairs, 12 June 2021. What is the meaning of CDN in the context of recent global internet outage? A. Content Delivery Network. B. Content Digital Network. C. Central Desk News. D. Content Development Network. The answer is A. Content Delivery Network. A content delivery network is a geographically distributed group of servers that work together to provide rapid delivery of internet content. Which intergovernmental group has announced minimum global tax on MNCs? A. Asian. B. G7. C. BRICS. D. None of these. The answer is B. G7. G7 is an intergovernmental organization which includes Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, United Kingdom, and America. Which state has released a short film Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Shiv Rajyabhishek Divas on Chhatrapati Shivaji? A. Rajasthan. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Goa. D. Uttar Pradesh. The answer is C. Goa. Goa government has released a short film Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Shiv Rajyabhishek Divas on the occasion of coronation day of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. It covers the story of Goa and the role of Shivaji in the Battle of Goa against the Portuguese. What is the name of the new global database launched by Interpol to identify missing person through family DNA? A. D missing. B. I familia. C. W hunting. D. M finding. The answer is B. I familia. Interpol has created a new global database called iFamilia to help police identify missing persons through family DNA and solve apathetic cases in member countries has been launched. World Accreditation Day is celebrated on which date? A. 8 June. B. 9 June. C. 10 June. D. 11 June. The answer is B. 9 June. World Accreditation Day is celebrated every year on 9 June globally to promote the role of accreditation in business and economy. The theme for WED 2021 is accreditation, supporting the implementation of sustainable development goals. Which Indian cricketer has launched a cricketing coaching portal called Crick Guru? A. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. B. Sachin Tendulkar. C. Kapil Dev. D. Virendra Sehwag. The answer is D. Virendra Sehwag. Indian star cricketer Virendra Sehwag has launched a cricket coaching portal named Crick Guru. Crick Guru is India's first all-enabled coaching website that provides a personalized learning experience to young players. Its website is www.crickguru.com. Which of the following was declared as the seventh national park of the state by the government of Assam? A. Ramona National Park. B. Manas National Park. C. Dehing Patkai. D. Nameri. The answer is C. Dehing Patkai. The government of Assam in its cabinet meeting declared Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary as the seventh national park of the state. It is also known as rainforest in which diversity of flora and fauna is found. It was recognized as a wildlife sanctuary in 2004. Its total area is 111.19 square kilometer. Which is the first country to legalize Bitcoin? A. Czechoslovakia. B. Singapore. C. El Salvador. D. Maldives. The answer is C. El Salvador. El Salvador has become the first country in the world to legalize the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Till now, no country has declared it as its legal currency. How many members are there of United Nations Economic and Social Council ECOSOC? A. 54, B. 56, C. 58, D. 60. The answer is A. 54. The United Nations Economic and Social Council is one of the main organs of United Nations and has 54 members. These members are elected every year for a term of 3 years. India has recently been elected to the ECOSOC for a period of 2022 to 2024 through secret ballot. Indian Navy received the first batch of MH-60 Romeo helicopters from which country? A. France, B. Japan, C. Russia, D. America. The answer is D. America. Indian Navy will receive MH-60 Romeo helicopters from America. India had earlier in 2020 signed a deal worth rupees 16,000 crore with the US to buy 24 MH-60 Romeo helicopters. Thank you.